Hello everyone, how are you doing today? And welcome to my channel English Guru, where I make good videos on English and personality development. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click this like button. In today's video, I will discuss that how you can use body language effectively in your presentations. Many students, they ask me this thing that, sir, we cannot give good presentations, what should we do? So in today's video, I'm going to discuss all the good techniques of body language, and if you use these techniques in your upcoming presentation, definitely you will mesmerize the audience. So let's start. According to one study, if you talk about the body language, it contributes nearly 55% in any communication. If you talk about your tone of voice, it contributes nearly 38% in that communication. And do you know the role of words you say? Only 7%. So now we have understood this thing, that why good body language is so important in any presentation. And do not forget to watch the video till the end, then only you will be able to get the benefits of this video. So are you ready to listen to all the tips here? Tip number first, that you will carry this pleasant smile on your face whenever you are presenting. If you are nervous, audience won't listen to your presentation. But if you have this smile on your face, definitely you will be able to connect well with the audience. So in the next presentation, remember this point, that you will carry this smile on your face. Tip number second, I have seen many speakers, they keep on standing at one place for the whole presentation. It looks very boring. Okay, so you must shift your position from one place to another place. But you shouldn't do it very fast. If you do it fast, it will distract the audience. Suppose if you are standing at some place, spend some time there, interact with the audience. And after that, shift your position to another place. Then interact with the audience. In this way, you will be able to connect with every member sitting in the audience. Okay, next technique is very important, that is your voice modulation technique. Suppose if I want to say this line, Narendra Modi is a great Prime Minister, with this voice modulation technique, then how will I say? I will say Narendra Modi is a great Prime Minister. Okay, so did you see what did I do? I gave stress on that word called great. My voice was somewhat loud on that word called great. This is what we call voice modulation technique. For important points, for important words, okay, you must use this technique. Okay, you must raise your voice on important points, on important words. And what you will see, that audience will always remember your presentation. They won't forget your presentation. And no one will sleep in your presentation. Next tip, next important tip, that how you can use your hands. Okay, suppose if in the starting, if you do not have confidence, you can fold your hands like this. Okay, you can make a step with your hands, and after that explain the points to the audience. But once you gain confidence, you can move your hands freely. And once you have started doing this thing, the audience will be able to comprehend your message in the proper way. Okay, so next important tip, that how you should stand. You shouldn't put pressure on one foot. Okay, it doesn't look good. So your pressure should be firm on both the feet, and your feet should be in alignment with your shoulders. Okay, this is the best way to stand. Next very important tip, use of pauses. Many good speakers, they use this technique. Our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi uses this technique. And why does he do that? Because it creates the curiosity in the minds of the audience, that what the speaker will say next. Okay, so you must use this technique in your upcoming presentation. Just try to give pause of nearly 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then you will see the difference in your presentation. Okay, next very important tips, do not read from the paper. Sometimes speakers, they keep on reading from the paper. These speakers, they do not see the audience. Okay, so it doesn't look good. So you shouldn't read from the paper. Just interact with the audience. Okay, They want to interact with you. If you're reading from the paper, they will sleep. Okay, so never do this thing. Next very important tip, sometimes speakers, they read from the slides many times. You shouldn't do like this. What you should do, just pick the point from the slide and elaborate that point to the audience. In this way, you will be able to engage the audience in a proper way. And last point here, you must see in the eyes of the audience. You must move your eyes from one place to another place. In this way, you will be able to connect with every member sitting in the audience. So I hope that I must have discussed all the tips with you, and if you follow these tips in your upcoming presentation, definitely you will captivate the audience. Thank you very much.